These are Amazing Aero helicopter toys. They each come individually packaged and include the helicopter part and a slingshot apparatus to fling it up into the night. Here's what it looks like out of the package. There's a little helicopter area at the bottom, the LED light switch at the top that turns the LED light on, and then the slingshot ready to shoot it off into the night. Woo! It's hard for me to catch it on video. Ready for the next one?
Yep. 2 at a time.
I can't keep track of them. Okay, super cool. We've only got 2 flingers right now, but I think these would make a great party. New Year's Eve, something like that. Party accessory, birthday parties. They shoot really high up in the sky. I just can't keep track of it on the video.